These are the wooden blocks that I was telling you about. I just used them to put between the plates and the threaded rod to ensure that everything was spaced correctly. And I'm going to use it now to help assist me in getting this assembly together. I'll line it. All right, it's lined up at the bottom of the bottom edge right now. Gives me just enough room for the tabs on the corner of the plates to be exposed for hooking up the electrical connections. I also grabbed some of the scrap from cutting out the insides of the gaskets here. I'm going to use this as additional spacer on the back after the UHMW block probably. And we'll drop this one in. Just using the, like I said, I'm just using the wooden blocks here to assist in holding this thing where it's supposed to be. If I can get this one to stay where it belongs. Alright, there we go. And I'll go ahead and do a plate. Now with every single one of these plates being identical and having the electrical connections on them, I can use that to my advantage. Turn this one over. Section of wood is catching. Alright, this is where I had a lot of longer footage that was with a lot of audio that was unnecessary. So I just went ahead and sped everything up and showed you guys as the reassembly process. This part here is where I was closing everything up. I do not have any videos of the plumbing. So this right here is the final conclusion to the cell rebuild. And the rest of it will be on testing and other stuff.